Good evening, everyone. This is Jeff. Today is April 14, 2026, and I am actually recording this video at midnight after watching the replay of the Show Me the Money Club, the best show for gig drivers on YouTube by far. And I'm sorry I missed the live because I love Driver's Corner and I missed my opportunity to show my beautiful face. I did want to reference a topic in the show, and you're looking at the screenshot. I was very excited to see the Iron Man segment, and I do want to start off by saying that I am in awe of these two men because they prove that with hard work, anything can be accomplished in life. But in a prior video, I mentioned the word context, and a lot of times context is missing. So in this short presentation, I want to show you what I see when I look at this. And again, to both of these drivers, amazing. My hat is off to you, but there are things I really want to know, and hopefully we'll see them on an upcoming episode of the Show Me the Money Club. So for the purposes of my dissertation here, I use the Ironman Atlanta Uber figures. So obviously he was online for 96 hours. That's very key to me. And I also am looking at the breakdown because tips should not be calculated into someone's hourly wage because they're not guaranteed. So I am going to show you on the next slide how to figure out how much this man made per hour. Again, I will tell you that per hour means nothing to me in the gig world, but I am in the vast minority of that opinion. To me, it's how many dollars you make per mile against your cost per mile. But for the vast majority out there, there's something missing from these slides that we really need to know how awesome of a job these two gentlemen did. So I'm going to take you through it. So this is a slide explaining how you figure out the hourly wage of Iron Man in Atlanta. So he worked 96 hours. Now, if you're comparing it to hourly rate, you have to use the same way any W-2 job would be calculated for hourly rate. So if you broke down his 96 hours, that would be 40 hours plus 56 hours of overtime. Overtime is paid at time and a half. For the purpose of figuring out this hourly rate, take the 56 hours of overtime and divide that by 2, because overtime is paid at the rate of time and a half in the United States. Then add that number to his 96 hours worked. So if you take the 56 hours, that would be time and a half, and divide it by 2, it gives you 28 additional hours. You add that to the 96 hours he worked, and for the purposes of figuring out how much he made per hour, you would divide his total revenue by 124 hours. So I did it two ways. I took his total revenue of $41.15, and then I took out the tips, and that made him $32.94, which is what Uber paid him. That calculation gets him $26.56 an hour. And then I left the tips in there, and you can see his hourly rate ballooned up to $33.19. Here's the important part that's missing. This is revenue. This is not income. I'm going to say it again. This is revenue, and this is not income, because he has to take off the expenses that it cost him to earn $4,115 or $32.94 respectively. That is what is missing. So yes, the revenue is absolutely awesome. He busted his ass, he worked his tail off, and there's nothing wrong with that. He did it on his own terms. He didn't answer to anybody. But we need to see how many miles he drove this week in order to figure out his dollar per mile. And then we need to see what his expenses are per mile. Then you back those numbers out of these revenue numbers and recalculate his dollars per hour. So just for kicks and giggles, if he worked at McDonald's in California, he would have made 40 hours at $20 an hour, and he would have made 56 hours at $30 an hour with zero expenses. So again, I am not diminishing what these two gentlemen did. It is absolutely awesome, but we need the whole story to see how much income they actually made. Hopefully in a future episode of the Show Me the Money Club, they will share that information and we can get a better idea of exactly how much income they made for the fruits of their 96 hours of labor and working 7 days a week. Hope you enjoyed this short video. Any comments or questions, please feel free to share. Don't forget to watch the Show Me the Money Club every Tuesday night at 6 o'clock Eastern on the Rideshare Guy channel and the many other videos they put out. Thanks again to Sergio and Chris for giving me this platform. Hopefully we see the information I'm looking for, and I will put out another short video showing the actual hourly wage after we get all of the expenses and know that miles that they drove. Thank you. Have a wonderful evening.